There's an overall viewpoint that karma is about cause and effect. That if I do something to somebody which is detrimental, there's a karmic link. And I have to receive that back, either from that person or somebody else, to break that karmic link. Well, in general, that's a good thought process, but it doesn't get to the detail of what's actually happening with us. Because if we don't know what karma is, how can we clear our karma? This book will help you to clear your karma in a single lifetime. So a correct definition of karma is what I'm going to give you now. It's all about attraction and addiction to low-frequency behavior patterns. It's all about being here, believing we are here, working with here, wanting to be here, rather than trying to understand what we truly are. And that's because our